Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Intuition from Above. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most transformative journeys you'll ever take, the journey to self-acceptance. Self-acceptance is about embracing our whole selves, including the parts we often want to hide. It's about cultivating self-compassion and nurturing self-love. It's about standing strong and saying, I am enough, exactly as I am. Let's explore 13 key points of self-acceptance that will guide you on this journey. And as we move through these steps, consider how each one plays a crucial role in nurturing your self-love and acceptance. Number 1. Recognize your worth. Every individual, including you, is a masterpiece. Like Vincent van Gogh's Starry Night, intricate, unique, and priceless. Recognizing your worth is the foundation of self-acceptance. In all its swirls and colors, there's not a stroke that could be changed without altering its essence. Number 2. Forgive yourself. Mistakes and failures are part of being human. Just as a photographer accepts an unexpected element in a shot taken with a 50mm lens, transforming a flaw into a unique feature. Forgiveness allows us to let go of past hurts and move forward with peace. Number 3. Celebrate your strengths. We all have unique strengths. Like the vibrant colors in a Picasso's Cubist painting, each one adds depth and complexity to who you are. Celebrating these strengths boosts self-esteem and fosters a positive self-image. Number 4. Accept your imperfections. Nobody's perfect. Our imperfections are the gritty, raw elements that a photojournalist might capture with a wide-angle lens. They make us authentically us. Embracing them fosters self-compassion and combats self-judgment. Number 5. Show compassion to yourself. Treat yourself with kindness. Self-compassion, like a nurturing Monet landscape, allows you to meet your mistakes and flaws with understanding rather than criticism. Number 6. Reject comparison. Comparisons only lead to dissatisfaction. Each individual is a distinct piece of art, like each Ansel Adams photograph capturing a unique moment. Rejecting comparison helps you appreciate your unique path and progress. Number 7. Challenge negative self-talk. Negative thoughts can lead to self-doubt. Make your internal dialogue uplifting, like the optimistic strokes of a Renoir painting a scene of joy and beauty. This reinforces self-belief and acceptance. Number 8. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Progress is more important than perfection. It's like the development process of a film photo, slowly revealing the beautiful image captured by a classic Nikon F3. Celebrating progress fosters a growth mindset and encourages self-acceptance. Number 9. Practice gratitude. Gratitude shifts focus from what's wrong to what's right, like the transformation of a scene through a fisheye lens. It encourages a positive outlook and helps in acknowledging and accepting our complete self. Number 10. Find balance. Balance is key between self-improvement and self-acceptance, just like the visual harmony in a perfectly composed symmetrical photo. It's crucial to grow without losing sight of our intrinsic worth. Number 11. Listen to your needs. Acknowledging your needs and wants is a form of self-respect, like the authentic expressions in a raw, powerful Basquiat painting. It fosters self-understanding and guides our choices and actions. Number 12. Embrace your unique journey. Everyone's life journey is unique, like the poignant story each Dorothea Lange photograph tells. Accepting this helps us appreciate our personal growth and experiences. Lastly, number 13. Affirm yourself daily. Daily affirmations reinforce self-acceptance. They're the bold, confident strokes in a Frida Kahlo self-portrait, reiterating the artist's unapologetic self-acceptance. Affirmations help change our mindset and strengthen our belief in ourselves. And that concludes our journey today, where we've embraced the beautiful complexity that is you. Self-acceptance is a continuous, rewarding journey, not a one-time event. So, I encourage you to be patient with yourself, be kind, and remember that you are worthy, just as you are. Like an artist working on a piece or a photographer waiting for that perfect shot. It takes patience, love, and time. So, take your time. You're worth it. As we finish today's discussion on embracing self-acceptance, it's important to acknowledge that our next topic will build upon this foundation. In our next video, we will dive into how to let go of limiting beliefs. It's going to be a vital discussion about overcoming self-doubt, and you definitely won't want to miss it. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, every step you take on this self-discovery journey is a step towards a more authentic, fulfilled, and self-compassionate you. Subscribe to the Intuition from Above channel, share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's continue this journey together. Until next time, keep thriving, keep growing, and keep embracing your beautiful, authentic self.